I'm coming back to the heart of worship. Hey friends, this is the heart of worship. This is a simple way to chord along to this beautiful worship song. I have stripped it down to the basics for you. If you want to grab the chord sheet, you will look in the description of the video below and you will find that, and it'll make a lot more sense as we jump in. All right, so in this key, we have just 4 simple chords that I have stripped it down for you. So we have D, G, A, and we have E minor, and that's it. So let's find those 4 chords. So if you look for this group of 2 black notes, and the thumb will just be the note right between those, and then pick up your black note in the middle and this single note over here. So it's D, F sharp, A. Kind of makes this triangle shape, okay? D, F sharp, A. Okay, that's a D chord. So if we freeze that shape in our hand and we move down here to the A position, A is just tucked in between these group of 3 black notes. A, C sharp, E plays that triangle shape, and that's an A chord, okay? And then G is right next door to A. It says it's C, D, E, F, G, and then we start over A, B, C. Okay, so it's G, B, D is a G chord. And then our little E minor is just up here, C, D, E, okay? E, G, B. That's it. Okay, so let's play those 4 chords. So we have that E minor, D triangle, freeze that shape. You could play it in the A position, A chord, and then our G chord. Okay, pretty simple. All right, let's look at the left hand. We're going to be playing single notes over here just to keep it simple, give us a good framework to start. So we're going to play single D when we play this D chord, okay? And I'm just going to line up pinky on G and line up my 5 fingers, and I'm going to keep this hand here the whole song, okay? So D to D. When we do play that E minor, we're just opening up our thumb 1 note, okay? Don't move your hand, just open your thumb, just swing it open, play that E to E minor in our right hand. Okay, then we have A chord with A in the bass, and then G to G in the bass. Pretty simple. All right, so I'm going to sing through verse 1 so you can see how it sounds when we add in the vocals and we add in the rhythm, and then we'll break down the rhythm. When the music fades, all is stripped away, and I simply come, longing just to bring something that's of worth that'll bless your heart. Okay, so let's first talk about patterns. Verse 1 and 2 are identical. You're doing the same pattern there, and it is the pattern, so to speak, of D, A, E minor, A, D, A, E minor, A. So that just repeats, or lines 1 and 3 are the same, lines 2 and 4 are the same, okay? And then if we look at a pattern in our pre-chorus and chorus, we have E minor, D, A, E minor, D, A, E minor, D, A for the pre-chorus. And then if we look at the chorus, we have lines 1 and 3 the same, lines 2 and 4 repeating. So just start to notice some of those patterns in your music. You can be like, okay, my hands can get used to doing the same thing 4 times in a row, you know, or 3 times over. So we're just doing this rhythm called 1-2 ratio, and it's just this together, right, together, right, together, right. It's a 1-2 ratio. It works really good with songs that have this 4/4 time signature, just kind of a nice marching rhythm. Okay, so practice that a little bit, become familiar with that, because you'll use that this whole song. All right, so let's start out with verse 1. When the music, okay, then we're going to shift to that A chord and A in the bass. Fades, all is stripped of E minor. Remember, I just moved that thumb open to the E. Way, and I simply come, A, come. Okay, we're going to repeat those same 4 chords. D chord. Longing just to bring, A, bring something that's of E minor worth that'll bless your A heart. Okay, then we're going to merge into that pre-chorus. We start with that E minor, just opening that thumb up. E minor up here. I'll bring you, coming down to the D, more than a song, for a song in itself. E it's not what D you have required. A. Just repeating these same chords. You search much deeper within, through the way things appear. E minor. You're looking into my heart. A. Okay. Now let's just talk about that chorus pattern. So lines 1 and 3 are the same, and lines 2 and 4 are the same. Okay. D chord starts us out. I'm coming back to the A, heart of worship, and it's E minor. All about D, you, it's G. All about A, you, Jesus. Back to that D. I'm sorry, Lord, for the A thing I've made it, and it's E minor. All about D, you, it's G. All about A, you, Jesus. And we end on a D. All right, so verse 2 is going to be the same as verse 1. Like I said, this one's pretty simple. There's just those 4 chords. If you want to just break it up into right hand only, then left hand only, then bring the 2 hands together, that's another way you can simplify your journey for you. I'm going to play it beginning to end. I want you to jump along with me. If you goof up, just find the next chord or the syllable, the word, whatever chord that you can hop in with, and you can do it. Here we go. When the music fades, all is stripped away, and I simply come, longing just to bring something that's of worth, that'll bless your heart. I'll bring you more than a song, for a song in itself is not what you have required. You search much deeper within, through the way things appear. You're looking into my heart. I'm coming back to the heart of worship, and it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. I'm sorry, Lord, for the thing I've made it, when it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. King of endless worth, no one could express how much you deserve. Though I'm weak and poor, all I have is yours, every single breath. I'll bring you more than a song, for a song in itself is not what you have required. You search much deeper within, through the way things appear. You're looking into my heart. I'm coming back to the heart of worship, when it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. I'm sorry, Lord, for the thing I've made it, and it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. I'm coming back to the heart of worship, and it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. I'm sorry, Lord, for the thing I've made it, when it's all about you. it's all about you, Jesus. I'm coming back to the heart of worship, and it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. I'm sorry, Lord, for the things